Want to golf like a pro, anywhere and on the go? Probably not. Just want to have some fun, whether you live in the heart of the hood, in the concrete jungle, or in the woods with hard dirt and stinking mongrels. No need for golfing greens. We have the solution. The new No Nut Golf Tee. Yes! Able to sit on any hard surface, elevating the ball at just the right height, eliminating scraped and broken golf clubs or your choice of swinging objects, bats, sticks, pipes. Being innovative, you get the idea. Also, for the more serious golfer that wants to practice on your swing at the office, in the parking lot, or at home in the driveway when the wifey says, "Not today," No Nut has you covered too. No more being left out and alienated with the new No Nut Golf Tee. Comes with 4 no nuts and 2 balls, just in case you have none. In hood gold, country camo, blue collar blue, no crack black, and persistent pink. Try new No Nut and dream like a golfing king. 10% of all sales from Persistent Pink will be donated for breast cancer research and awareness. Made from recycled rubber, not for kids or pets.